In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an IP address in Hostinger. This is a crucial skill for website management, especially if you are looking to enhance security by restricting access to certain IPs. Whether you're dealing with unwanted traffic, potential threats, or just trying to manage who can view your website, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started by heading over to Hostinger's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the dashboard. This is where you'll find all the essential tools and information related to your website. Navigating to the dashboard is often the first step in managing your site, and Hostinger makes it straightforward with its user-friendly interface. Now that you're on the dashboard, the next move is to click on the Advanced section. This area hosts more detailed settings and options for your website. It may seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. The Advanced section is where you have the power to make significant changes and improvements to your site, so it's crucial to become familiar with its features. Once you've clicked Advanced, you'll want to look for the IP Manager. This tool is particularly useful when it comes to managing who can access your site. The interface is designed to be intuitive, focusing on managing IP addresses effectively. You'll find options here that allow you to block specific IP addresses, which can help in mitigating spam and potential security threats. With the IP Manager open, it's time to interact with the critical feature we're focusing on today, the Block an IP Address option. This is usually straightforward but paramount for maintaining control over your website's security. When you click on Block an IP Address, you'll be prompted to enter the IP address that you wish to block. It's a simple, direct process. Just enter the address and hit Confirm. Remember, blocking an IP means the user behind that address will no longer be able to access your site. This is particularly useful if you've noticed unusual activity or persistent attempts to access your site without permission. You're taking an essential step in safeguarding your online presence. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to block an IP address using Hostinger's platform. This process might only involve a few clicks, but it holds significant power in managing and protecting your site. Regularly reviewing and managing your IP blocking settings can go a long way in maintaining a secure and efficient website. Keep in mind that maintaining security is an ongoing process, so make it a habit to review these settings periodically. Thank you for joining today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore other areas of Hostinger to further enhance your site's performance and security.